friends, my name is Kanika and my topic is how to manage and improve your credit score. Credit score is a report through which we come to know what is our credit rating when we go for funding or taking any loan to any financial institution or a bank. Then it plays very important role. Credit managers take the responsibility of checking the credit reports, and why they scrutinize all the things. Credit report contain various things such as personal information of the applicant, which contain driving license number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, name, address, office address, email ID, etc. And relating to the loan, it contains the loan which has been taken in the past and the running loans, their status, current outstanding, and the number of days which has been delayed in paying the EMIs, etc. The range of the credit is between 300 to 900, and if a person who has not taken any loan, their credit report will speak and their rating will be 0 or -1. A fair score is between 550 to 700, and a good score is considered above 700. There is a CIBIL agency in the India which is most popular, that gives the credit rating of the applicants which go for the scrutiny. Guys, I'll be sharing you some points which are required to be considered, and they are some practices which has been followed to maintain your CIBIL score or to improve your credit ratings. So number one is that maintain a good discipline while you're going for paying the EMI. It is very much necessary to pay the EMIs on time, otherwise it might affect your credit scores. While you wait for the call, that is the statutory deduction facility which has been offered by all the banks in current date. Second point is that maintain a joint account with whom you have taken the loan, because sometimes when you are not aware that due date is coming, that applicant will make you aware, and because when you make defaulting in the paying EMIs, that co-applicant are the guarantor who is giving the guarantee on your loan is also affected, and their credit reports will also go adverse if you make default in paying the EMIs. My third point is that use credit application if you are having so many credit cards, because it will help you to know whose due dates are coming, what minimum balance you need to pay, what interest has been charged, and you can also check your credit score using the credit applications. It is also recommended that not go for unnecessary loan applications if you don't need loans, because many loan inquiries creates adverse opinion in the mind of the credit managers, as it denotes that you need fund or you are in cash crunch and you need loan. Suppose you know you need 30 lakh rupees and you are applying in 10 banks. So why are you going for the 10 banks? Go directly to the one bank, because it adversely affects your credit scores. My next point is that if you are having a credit card and you're not using that credit card, don't go for close it. Use it, because vintage of anything creates a good impact. For example, मेरे पास एक 10 साल पुराना क्रेडिट कार्ड है जो मैं अभी भी यूज करती हूँ, और sometimes when it is not usable, I am not going to make an application to the bank to close it. As जितना पुराना क्रेडिट कार्ड होता है, उससे क्रेडिट मैनेजर के माइंड में पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट जाता है, that person is not going for applying so many credit cards. So this practice is very much important when you going for loan. Some applicants go for BT from one bank to another bank, then another bank, then another bank. Why you can't maintain your credit history with one bank? और next my point is कि credit score को improve करने के लिए ये बहुत important है कि आप अपने credit scores को check करें. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं आपका credit score क्या है, because sometimes some fraud loans or some wrong reporting has been done by the credit facility providers, and that creates a very bad impact in the credit report. So if you will go for the check of your credit score on timely basis, then you will come to know what is being happening over there, and if any delinquencies come over the time, then you can timely basis take course of action. And the last point which I want to tell you in the credit reporting series, that many questions has been raised by many of my friends, and they asked me कि ये अगर कुछ गलत हो जाता है हमसे, तो when it will get removed from the credit report without being requesting any bank कि हमारा ये poor rating है, we have paid the EMIs now, तो इसको remove कर दो, कि automatically वो कब remove होती है. I want to tell you, this is not a specific time. This is a journal observation by the people that in 7 to 8 months generally, delinquencies get removed from your credit report, and the in 2 to 3 years of span time, the CIBIL inquiries will get removed. So my name is Kanika and I am credit manager in HDFC Bank, and I am working on it. If any one of you need to know more about the CIBIL or CIBIL report or credit improvement points, then you can contact me, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.